What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be demoing the bottom unit of the house. If you watch my previous video, we got the house cleaned out. We cleaned out all the junk. So right beside me here, we're on our third dumpster. We're gonna run to Home Depot real quick. I'm gonna grab some stuff.
Yeah, please.
We're gonna start off by demoing the kitchen area. The only thing that we're really gonna save is the hardwood floors because they're in pretty good shape. I'm gonna lay down some drop cloths to try and protect the floor a little bit. So me and my partner purchased this house for $210,000. We're into it about $218,000 with closing costs. About 25% down. The principal balance is $157,500. Need a little bit of room to get out these pipes. So we actually have the water shut off and throughout the entire house because it's been this past few weeks have been pretty cold. Just gonna unscrew this. All right, so we pretty much got the whole kitchen area gutted down to the studs. Have all the paneling off in the hallway area. As you can see, this is the back side of the bathroom. We have our laundry room right here. We're probably gonna tear this off and so we could just open up this room a little bit. Oh, baby. Me and my partner are lucky enough, we have someone privately funding us for the rehab costs. So right now we have about $110,000 to put into the house. We're estimating that it's gonna cost about $120,000 to get it to where we want it to be. You could easily spend more than $120,000 on this house, like definitely. But luckily I'm doing a lot of the work myself, so that saves us a lot of money.
You okay?
Yeah.
That didn't sound a lot worse than I thought.
I got dust in my eye, but I'm good. This door in front of me is actually stuck shut. It's right in the hallway area in the first unit. When it comes time to do some framing in here, we're just gonna frame across and just make it a continuous wall because this door is pretty much pointless. These old doors, they just lift up off the hinges, but this thing's pretty painted on there. So see if I can wedge this flat bar under here. Oh, get it right next to the hinge. See if this will work. There we go. I think we got the chimney behind here.
Sure.
Yeah. So I have the saw set to the depth of the subfloor that I'm taking up. I just do these relief cuts both vertically and horizontally. It makes it a whole lot easier to take up the floor. So it's a lot less effort if you do it that way. I just wanted to say that I will be doing a majority of the construction work on this house. I'm not going to do all of it. I'm going to subcontract some stuff just for time efficiency purposes. Even though time is the most valuable currency on this earth, my labor is a margin of safety for us. And it's really going to pave the way of kind of gauging other projects. Oh, this is disgusting. So one thing that's really cool about these old houses, this has this really old plaster crown molding. It's pretty small, but if you look closely at it, it's pretty intricate. So this is the definition of they don't make things like they used to. so it's a beautiful little thing. What a freaking mess. And just to think we still have 2 more bedrooms and 2 more walls in this room, so you definitely have my work cut out for me on this one. That pretty much wraps up episode 2 of the house video series. Please like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you think, and sincerely thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.